Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to today's shadowing practice, Day 5. A chance to speak out loud, build confidence, and improve your English with me, step by step. I speak slowly. It is easier for you to understand. So how was your weekend? Did anything make you smile? Did you learn something new in the last episode? If you did, amazing! I'm proud of you. If not, don't worry. You're here now, and that's what matters. Now, let's be honest for a moment. Just listening to English is not enough. If you want to speak better English, then you must speak. Today's story is special. It's not just about waking up and going to bed. It's about college life, real college activities, real student moments. Let's begin. Step by step. Speak with me. Morning. Just getting ready. Good morning. I wake up. I stretch my arms. I feel a little sleepy, but today is a college day. Repeat. I wake up. I stretch my arms. Today is a college day. Very well, starting. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I pack my bag. I get dressed. I pack my bag. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. On the way to college. I leave home. I take a rickshaw. I take a rickshaw. The road is busy. People are everywhere. I feel excited. Repeat. I leave home. The road is busy. I feel excited. I reach college. The gate is open. Students are walking in. Students are walking in. I see my friends. Now inside college, the real day begins. Entering campus. I walk through the college gate. I hear laughter. I hear the morning bell. I meet my classmates. Repeat. I walk through the college gate. I meet my classmates. We walk to our classroom. Our bags are full, but our minds are ready. But our minds are ready. First class, focus time. The first class starts. The teacher enters the room. We stand up and say, "Good morning, sir." I take out my notebook. I open my pen. I start taking notes. Let's repeat. The teacher enters. I take out my notebook. I start taking notes. Well done! The topic is interesting. We listen carefully. We write. We ask questions. Repeat with me. We listen. We ask questions. We learn something new. Now group activity time. Now it's group activity time. The teacher gives us a task. The teacher gives us a task. We sit in teams. We talk. We discuss. We think. Repeat. We sit in teams. We talk. We think. I share my ideas. My friend shares hers. We write our answers together. Repeat. I share my ideas. We work as a team. This is how we learn. This is real college life. Presentation time. Our group presents. We speak in front of the class. We speak in front of the class. I feel nervous, but I try. I speak slowly. My friends support me. Repeat with me. We present. I speak slowly. I feel proud. The teacher smiles. We get a clap from the class. We did well. You are doing very well. It's library break. After class, I visit the library. After class, I visit the library. It's quiet. Books are everywhere. I find a seat. I read a textbook. I do some homework. Repeat. I go to the library. I read a textbook. I feel focused. Good. Now, lunch and canteen fun. It's lunchtime. We walk to the canteen. The smell of food is strong. We order snacks and drinks. Repeat. We go to the canteen. We order food. We sit together. Awesome! We talk. We laugh. We share stories. College lunch is not just food. It's friendship. Campus vibes. After lunch, we walk around the campus. Some students sit on the grass. Some take photos. Some practice dance or debate. Let's repeat. We walk around. We take photos. We enjoy college life. I see posters for events. Maybe there's a cultural fest soon. I see posters for events. Maybe there's a cultural fest soon. Now, lab or extra class. In the afternoon, we have a lab class. We wear lab coats. We use machines and tools. Repeat with me. We go to lab. We wear lab coats. We use tools. We write observations. We ask questions. It feels exciting. End of the day, but not really. Classes are over. We sit outside and chat. We talk about dreams. We help each other with assignments. Let's repeat. We sit and talk. We help each other. College is not just books. College is not just books. It's friendship. It's growth. It's fun. Going back home. I say goodbye to my friends. I walk to the bus stop. The sky is orange. The wind feels soft. Repeat. I say goodbye. I walk to the bus stop. The wind feels soft. Back home. Quick summary. I reach home. I change clothes. I eat dinner. I feel tired, but happy. Repeat with me. I eat dinner. I feel tired. I feel happy. I lie in bed. I think about the day. I smile. College life is special. Repeat. I lie in bed. I smile. College life is special. Good night. Thank you for joining me today. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing every day. I'll see you in the next story. Good night, learners.